Hey everyone, Jim here from Fuji Spray, and today we're going to be showing you how to fix a stuck pattern on your T-model or MPV8 spray gun. Now, what is a stuck pattern? A stuck pattern is when you adjust the fan control on your spray gun, but the setting doesn't adjust from narrow to wide. Now, why does this happen? It's typically as a result of after cleaning, when you go to reassemble the spray gun, you've done so incorrectly. So what we're going to do today is we're going to inspect the front of the spray gun, reinstall the components as per the user manual, and get this all sorted. Let's get after it. So first we're going to remove the fluid control, spring, engage the trigger, and remove the fluid needle. Next we're going to loosen the collar and remove the air cap. With our wrench, we're going to loosen and remove the fluid nozzle. Once the fluid nozzle is removed, we can locate the diffuser and divider. And what we're going to want to do is make sure that the indicating hole in the divider matches the 12 o'clock hole on the gun body. Once the divider's been corrected, we can now reinstall the air diffuser and diffuser seal. We want to make sure that the locating pin at the 12 o'clock position matches up with the indexing hole on the gun body and the air divider. Once that's installed correctly, install the fluid nozzle and tighten with your gun wrench. Finally, install the air cap and collar, install the needle spring, and the fluid control. Now onto the V8 spray gun. First we're going to remove the fluid knob, the needle spring, we're going to engage the trigger, and that needle is going to come right at the back of the spray gun. Next we're going to loosen the collar, which will remove the collar and the air cap. With the wrench that came with the gun, simply loosen and remove the fluid nozzle, and by doing that you're going to expose the air distributor. We're going to want to make sure that the indexing pin on the air distributor matches the hole at the 6 o'clock position on the gun body. Once that's been corrected, you want to reinstall the fluid nozzle, reinstall the air cap and collar, and finally install the fluid needle, the needle spring, and the fluid nozzle.